So in this podcast, we are going to tell you about the sudden disappearance of Paliwan Brahmins, a community which is in Rajasthan. So before we start, I would like to invite our district speaker to know more about it and who is Mrs. Bhumi. Please give a big hand for us. Thank you for this respect. But before starting, I have a question for you. Yeah, please ask. Okay, did you think that the people like he says that is someone there in a dark room with the fear? But honestly, they would freak even more if there was really someone. See, how did you think about it, Ashi? Because it happens to me, Ekta, and I don't want to tell you. So keep it a secret. I don't want to listen. Okay. So come on the topic. Okay, so now we can start it. Kuldhara, in Rajasthan, in India. The story is so famous and shrouded in history. Located at the Jaisalmer district, as you know, Rajasthan is known for its majestic forts and places. Rajasthan is the home of villages of Kuldhara. It is surrounded by Thar Desert. Paliwan Brahmins, a thriving community which help Kuldhara people to improve their livelihoods. The story goes from Kuldhara was once a home to the Paliwan Brahmins, a prosperous and peaceful community. However, one fateful night, they vanished into thick air with left abandoned house and wide open grave. The villagers tried to search about them, but they didn't find anything special about them. The mystery of Kuldhara village still unsolved yet. But as the days went, the villagers started whispering about the unexplained events and strange noises. Some of them claimed to have seen shadowy figures in darkness, and some claimed to have seen paranormal activities. The villagers tried to move with their lives, but the memory of Paliwan Brahmins still remained there. The villages still empty, and nobody lives there. The creepy voices still come from there. As lots of people investigated there, but they didn't find anything. Still, many people tried to uncover the truth behind the disappearance of Paliwan Brahmins. So now, week is over, and let's restart our question session. Okay, so first let me ask, what do you think, Ashley, the village is haunted or not? Many people predict that it is haunted, but from my opinion, I think it's unhaunted. I think it is haunted. Oh, maybe. Okay, now it's fine. Okay. So, tell me, Ekta, would you dare to visit Kuldhara at night? No, I would never. Why? Likewise, I would like to go anywhere at night. But after hearing this creepy and haunted story, I would never try it. What about you? Of course, I suddenly disappear. I'm questioning that, could you dare to this Kuldhara at night? Dare to Kuldhara at night? No? Okay, no problem. So now, what is the most mysterious thing about the village? Yes? Okay. Of course, the sudden disappearance of Paliwan Brahmins. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so tell me that Paliwan Brahmins will ever return to Kuldhara. Maybe because you never know what will happen in the future. Seriously? You think that they will return? Yes, maybe. It can be. It's too great. What is the... Okay, so I have a doubt. Yes, you can ask. Okay, as you tell the story that I have a question that the voices coming in Kuldhara are at specific time. Yes, some agents discovered that the voices are likely heard at night. Okay. Do you think that the voices still come from here? Do you think that the voices still come from here? Yes? Yes. Okay, so I appreciate it. So how would you protect yourself from the ghost being attacked on you? See, I would focus on finding a safe zone or a path to escape. It means you will run. Yes, of course, I will not take the ghost to attack on the head. It shows that you are so good. Thanks, Anne. Okay, so you are ready out? Yes. Do you think that when the Paliwan Brahmins left they had left any clues When the villagers went to see for them, and when they entered the haunted house, then they see some cross symbols drew on every wall, even on the floor. Oh, it is so important. I have to know that. Sorry, sir. But what does it mean? I'm not sure, but from my information, I think that they were afraid of something really bad happening. Maybe they drew crosses to warn others from the curse. Yeah, I also want to ask questions. Yeah. What would happen? What would you go? What would you do when you had a ghost start showing you the results of the Dhara past? It's interesting. If I was there, then I will focus on how this is related to the ghost. Are the results body or a part? Okay. And next question. I would ask question to Bhumi that how would you protect yourself if the ghost attack on you? So, just leave. Okay. So, please for me, from my opinion, last question please. Okay. How would you react if I said that I am one of Parivar? What? What are you saying? Are you serious? Yeah. And that's how I do this podcast. I hope you enjoyed it to host and lead the tales of the haunted village. Absolutely, we will be unwrapping more interesting and mysterious episodes in our upcoming series.